Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Sprinkles and Magic. My name is Abeer. Marshmallows and Nutella? Yum! आज मैं आपको एक चीज़ बनाना सिखाऊंगी जिसका नाम है Marshmallow Clouds on Biscuits. तो चलें फिर? Marshmallow Clouds on Biscuits बनाने के लिए हमें ये चीज़ें चाहिए: Marshmallow Fluff, Biscuits और Nutella. तैयार है? Let's go! First, we lay the biscuits on a plate like this. Now we put Nutella on the biscuits. Now we take the marshmallow fluff and lay it on the biscuits. Lay another biscuit on top. Ta-da! And you're all done. We just made marshmallow clouds on biscuits, sprinkles and magic style. Here's an interesting food fact for you. Marshmallows were invented in Egypt back in 2000 BC. But it was the French who mixed egg whites and sugar to it, making it the way it looks today. Fun, huh? Try making some marshmallow clouds on biscuits and let me know how you did. Until next time, this is Abeer. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.